Hey! Welcome to Pet Home. We are promised to care about your pet. We are providing various types of pet products, like dry food, preserved or canned food, delights goods, hygiene and cleaning goods, care products, toys, lashes, collars, braces, clothes, cages, beds, bearing or carriers, bowls and feeding goods, vitamins and supplements, summer goods and more. We are always here to take care of your pet. Stay connected with us, love your pet, and buy product from Pet Home. Thank you.